Salam sejahtera. Nama saya Ng Jing Wen.
Nama saya Carinne Chew Pei Yi.
Kami dari SMK Permainan. Hari ini kami akan kongsikan OneDrive. Apa itu OneDrive? OneDrive ialah a cloud service that contains to all files, store and protect files shared with others, access files from anywhere on any device, sometimes called OneDrive for work or school. When use OneDrive with an account provided by your company or school, used to be known as OneDrive for Business. All files are provided unless open link for share to view or edit, part of organization subscription. Next, let us see OneDrive benefits. OneDrive benefits can get list of 1 TB space in the cloud, can share and collaborate with others, either share link only or upload files from OneDrive to Teams. Files can add to or upload to OneDrive directly. Connect both teachers and students to their files. Save files offline to view or edit when there's no internet connection. All offline edits are auto-signed whenever the current used device reconnects to the internet. With OneDrive, low storage space on a device is not issued. It can also promote teachers and students to auto-sign files or folders from Windows Note folders to OneDrive to make sure that all files sync to the cloud. Next, let us see getting started with OneDrive. Upload files from any device including PC or Mac. Share files with others. Collaboration. Give permission to others for real-time collaborations. Access to your files anywhere and anytime, either from computer, tablet, or phone or desktop. Switch on one's device to desktop to access files even when offline with OneDrive Sync apps. Now I will pass to my friend Carinne Chew Pei Yi.
Pagi semua, nama saya Carinne Chew Pei Yi. Mari kita lihat macam mana guna OneDrive. First, kita mesti masuk dengan link office.com. Okay, lepas masuk dalam page ni, kita boleh tengok ada 9 dot ni, anda boleh tekan, anda boleh tengok ada banyak apps, tapi kami nak guna OneDrive saja. So, tekan OneDrive. Lepas tu, anda akan masuk ke dalam page ni. Dalam page ni terdapat banyak button. Okay, next, saya akan terang tentang fungsi button-button yang terdapat dalam OneDrive. Button ni adalah setting lah. Dalam setting ada banyak benda. And then you can change your language. Okay, ni button ni adalah account anda. Okay, mari kita lihat button ni, create a new. Okay, tekan button ni, anda boleh create a new folder or create a new Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, dan sebagainya. So, saya akan create a new folder lah. New folder. Okay. Enter your folder name. You can type your name lah. Kamu suka saja. So, saya type Microsoft MVC book. Okay, so next we create. Lepas masuk dalam page ni, anda tengok tak ada apa-apa, so anda boleh upload file or folder lah. Saya akan upload file. Okay, upload file apa-apa yang kamu suka, yang anda suka. Saya upload Microsoft PPTX. Okay, after upload, dia akan ada di sini. So, okay, anda boleh share or no share. Okay, so saya share kepada kawan saya Ng Jing Wen. So saya akan share lah. Okay, dalam ni ada you can send kepada semua orang boleh tengok ni. Murid SMK Pemainda boleh tengok saja, dan ni people with exceeding access and specific people. And then you can set expire date lah. I don't want to set, so I don't write this. If you want to set, you can set lo. Okay, next. So I want to send this from my friend Ng Jing Wen, so I can write his her name and then send. So lepas send, anda boleh balik ni and tekan Outlook. Okay, so anda tekan send item. So Ng Jing Wen sudah access ni, sudah accept ni. Okay, kamu boleh open. Okay. So anda berjaya buat ni. Okay.
Sekian terima kasih.
Bye everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.